Hey everybody, it's Sincerely Legenia here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are anything like me and you have always loved Starbucks and you've been on this keto diet, I know you haven't had Starbucks in a while, probably because of all of the carbs, the high amount of carbs in their beverages. Well, today I just had to find something to satisfy that Starbucks craving that I have been having, and I have found it. You remember that keto coffee creamer I made a few videos back? It is one of the stars in this delicious iced coffee. Want to know how to make this? Stick around and I am going to show you. It is absolutely delicious. You will not miss Starbucks as much. To begin, we're going to add a ½ cup of heavy whipping cream to a bowl along with a pack of sweetener. I used Splenda, and we're going to whip that up until our whipping cream becomes nice and stiff. Just like that, nice and stiff. Then add some ice to your favorite glass and 1 cup of very strong coffee. And then here comes that delicious homemade keto coffee creamer. Add as little or as much as you'd like. I say the more the merrier. Stir that up. Then we're gonna have a nice taste. Oh yeah, that is some goodness. Now here comes some more goodness. We're gonna add some of that homemade whipped cream, a nice dollop or 2. Let's go with 3. 3 sounds good to me. Perfect. Of course, time to taste. This is so good. This is delicious. This is delicious. This is better than my regular coffee in the mornings. Delicious.